didn't know you had your camera with you.
Yep.
Excuse me?
That's okay. Oh, that was personal. Huh. Okay, hold on.
Now, how do you zoom it?
This thing up here.
Oh, okay.
I can't
I don't think I ever used
change
that.
it when I'm recording now. I thought you could.
What are you doing? So you have to set it before you can video it, huh?
Yeah, I thought you could actually zoom in.
I think he's enjoyed this today.
Yeah, he did. Those are getting over.
Are you going to stay and have lunch with us, or?
Yeah.
I'm not getting it up high enough.
There's one.
Ace.